In the rush of modern life, we often mistake happiness for busyness. We push forward, carrying the weight of expectations, success, relationships, and even fears of what hasn't happened yet. But deep down, what our hearts quietly long for might simply be peace. Peace is not the absence of noise. It's the ability to walk through a crowded street with a calm heart. It's sitting in the rain without feeling cold. It's looking in the mirror and seeing someone who, though imperfect, is learning to love themselves. Peace is the soft breath you take on a sleepless night, the warm light you turn on after a long day to soothe your weary soul. It's that gentle voice inside whispering, "It's okay. You've done your best today." You can find peace in the smallest things. A cup of tea in the early morning, a familiar song on a rainy afternoon, a message from an old friend, a silent hug that says everything without a word. But more than anything, peace is when you stop running from yourself. When you have the courage to face your sadness, the kindness to forgive your mistakes, and the compassion to love without needing a reason. Remember, peace is not a destination, but something you build within. You don't have to wait for a perfect life to be at ease. Just learn to stay with the present moment, and be grateful that you are still here, still breathing, still loving. Happiness is not about having everything, but realizing that you already have enough to feel at peace, right now. So if you're feeling tired, slow down a little. Give yourself a pause, a kind look, a gentle word, and then, you'll see, peace has always been near.